Hi YouTube. I recently got Sony Vegas Pro, and I'm having a small problem. I'll show you right now. Do you guys hear that ticking sound in the background? But it's not even the audio. Look, I just deleted the audio. I'm gonna press play. So what should I do? Please someone help me in the description, and I promise I will get you 5 subscribers if you help me. I have a few other accounts, so they'll get a subscribe for you. So yeah, can you just help me? Thanks everyone. And yeah, if you know how to fix it, just PM me or comment. Thanks. Bye guys.